If we go ahead and move over to the bond market, we will look at the forecast ZBs. These are the 30 years. We're going to pull up the weekly chart. Same overall picture. We won't go into quite as much detail here because it's really the same as what we just highlighted in the notes. Also in a corrective period with a low that's due 619 to 821. Shift over to the daily chart. Again, it also had a low that was due towards the end of May, early part of June. We got the pop, failed right where it should have from 128.03 to 129.29, and then turned down. Okay, this low is also due towards that later part of June time period. Good odds that we will look back at this old low at 125.05.